Okay, you see the box?
Yes. I have
Okay.
it on 197, page
Yeah,
197 in
yeah,
the book.
see, I would love to see you be able to do this. This would be totally cool in
Well,
SPSS.
I would too, but how
I
do you
would
do it in
love
Excel?
watch. I mean, when I teach this to you, you're going to say, Dr. Jeff, you're the most intelligent guy I've ever met in my entire life. Okay, bring up the picture. Ready?
Okay.
Ready? B. What's the next one? SE. SE. B. I'm sorry. B. What's the next box?
Um, oh, shit,
Beta.
Then we got B again. And I am not going to stress about that little funky B. Just make it a B.
So you're saying we just have to build the table. It doesn't actually.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Just make it look like that.
Can I ask you, where did the numbers from step one come from though?
I could not tell you. So I would say just do step 2.
Okay.
I tried to figure it out. It's funny how in the book is amazing, gives you so much stuff, but when it comes to that, it didn't tell you anything.
Yeah,
It doesn't tell you anything. It tells you about the scatter plot in the linear, but then when
right.
you get to the multiple, it doesn't. I actually had to do a little research because I didn't think I had the right one. Thought I just had a regular one, and I had to do some research on the internet, and then I finally found something that kind of went over it. I'm not sure. Oh,
Did it
I didn't bring
run
my.
just a simple linear for the constant and the age of years separately?
Uh, I do not have my book in the house, so somebody find that in the data that's on in the book. Find out where you see that 58.71.
It's in the table right above, it's in table 10.10-5. But when you run
Okay,
it,
what are
um,
you running?
if you follow the instructions in the book, it doesn't give you that
I
though.
gave you the data.
I know, that's why I just used the data. That's why I was wondering where the step one numbers came from
Just do
because,
step 2.
okay,
I think you still have to
Yeah.
run it for step 2 though to get the lower and upper limits because that wasn't in the
yeah,
output.
yeah, yeah.
Should have
Um,
been. Hold
It
on.
was
yeah,
you still
the
had to run a multiple like linear regression to get those numbers.
she's
Hold on.
right. I had to, because you gave us the
1 sec.
data, but it did
Hold
not
on.
include the
Hold on.
lower and upper
Hold on.
term.
Hold on. Hold on. Give me a second. Where is that? Where'd it go? There it is. Where did the data go though? File. Let's see. Use data. It didn't have this.
The one I'm looking at does not have that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at output data for one and it does not have
I
it
did
does
that. Yeah, and I did the output data for output two, and it didn't have that either.
You can probably open the document again, like if you go to Canvas, to see what, excuse me.
Put it in the right week. Okay. Let's go to Zoom. Where are we? Where is my Zoom? Chat. Ooh, I can't do, I don't think I can add a file here. That's not cool. Ooh, it doesn't like that at all. All right, I'll throw that in an announcement. I'll actually do the whole, I'll give you the whole thing for the assignment. Where do I need to go? I need to save it right now so I can get it later. Here. Oh, wait. Gotta bring this up first. I don't want that. And you guys, you need to do a favor and not put stuff in the chat. Open your mic and say something. Okay, so we are going to save this whole thing. So now I gotta do this here. And then I gotta go here. I capture. And then I'm gonna capture this whole thing right here. Come on, be nice. There it is. All right, I'll send this to you. I don't know why the confidence intervals were on there. So that's all you need is those two numbers right there to fill in the blanks. It's the age and the BMI that I think they asked for. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so because I don't think the book asked for confidence intervals. That's why when I ran it the first time. So basically, you're just putting in step 2. I'm not worried about step 1, step 2, and just the constant, the age in years. This is the first beta. This is the second beta. This is the and then the standardized. Okay, p-value, the standard error. Okay, and then the lower and upper confidence interval, and that's it. I'm not worried about APA on that box. I'm not worried about anything else. So in this file, there should be the write-up and this box, and you're done for the week if you did it right.
So we take out all the other data that you sent to us. You don't want any of that. You just want the write-up in this box for each output because you have output 1, 2, and 3.
No. Let's go. That. Thank you. That's a very good question. Zoom.
Oh, I thought we
modules.
choose one of the outputs to do it for.
Yeah, I gave you everything, so you could pick which one you want to write.
Oh, I did all 3.